Wild Watch is a program that's currently provided from Grandfather Mountain to all Avery County first graders. It is 5 school visits, so an educator from Grandfather Mountain comes to the classroom once a month to do hands-on science experiments with the students that aligns with the North Carolina curriculum for science in first grade. And then at the end of the year, the students come to the mountain. Another part of the program is they get to adopt an animal from Grandfather. So one of the animals in our habitat and learn about the animal throughout the school year. And then they actually get to come to the mountain and actually see their adopted animal.
This is actually a corn snake skin, and you all can feel this, just be careful with it.
The education purpose of Wild Watch is so when the educator comes into the classroom, all of the hands-on learning experiences align with the curriculum. So what the goal is the students learn the materials in class, and then they have another way of expressing what they learn through outdoor hands-on experiential learning. So if they learn about soil and soil composition, they get to actually go outside and investigate the soil. It's in their hand, it's a physical object that they get to learn about. Also, with that hands-on learning through Wild Watch, the goal is to develop deeper critical thinking skills for the students so they can incorporate that throughout their years of education. That rock out in front of you, or you can bring it up close and out loud, I want you all to take 1 minute to see how much you notice about your rock. The first visit is all about observation, science as inquiry. So what the students learn is to make differences between observations and opinions and how to use those observation skills out in the field. Second visit is all about plants. What do plants need to survive? So we actually get to go outside, explore different plants. Whatever they are interested in, we go explore it and learn what it needs to survive. The next visit is all about map making skills, so learning about different symbols on the maps and then actually going outside and making their own map where they can switch up with groups and try to find an object by the maps that they create.
First graders are watching the wildlife, the wildlife.
First graders watching the wildlife, the wildlife.
Looking all around.
Looking all around.
Next one is all about animals. We actually bring some of our education animals from Grandfather Mountain into the classroom so they can make those observation skills, building on the learning they had in previous classes, and learn more about those animals and what they need to survive. And the last visit is all about dirt, meaning soil. So they learn about different types of soil and how soil is created. And it's nice because that kind of wraps it up, talking about the soil, and then it connects back to the plant curriculum, which we talked about at the beginning of the school year.
Our Cougar here can run up to 45 miles per hour. That's super fast. And then these guys can jump straight up in the air 18 feet.
When students come to the mountain, their first response when they get off the bus is, "Oh no," or whoever their adopted animal is. So what they do when they come to the mountain, we take them on a habitat tour to see all their animals, and they actually get a behind the scenes tour with their adopted animal to get a closer look. And then we actually go up to the bridge and explore the bridge on their own, or with an instructor if they choose to as well. Right now, the Wild Watch program is in every Avery County elementary school. The hopes of the program is to expand it and provide these opportunities to other surrounding county schools as well. And it can simply start with just 2 visits to the classroom or just a field trip to the mountain as well. We can break it up into smaller pieces, or we can do the whole Wild Watch curriculum for other classes as well. But I do want to be able to provide this opportunity to the surrounding county schools in the area.
Wild Watch 8 and Wild Watch 9.
Wild Watch 8 and Wild Watch 9.
Stop.
Stop.
It's Wild Watch time.
Stop. It's Wild Watch time.
Go Wild Watch. 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 All right, everyone raise your right hand real high in the air. Everyone raise your left hand real high in the air. All right, turn them around and give yourself a pat on the back. All right. So friends, Miss Sluter, what do you think? Are we good to go outside?
Hi, my name is Jesse Pope. I'm the President and Executive Director of the Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button below. And to learn more about Grandfather Mountain, visit grandfather.com, and you can support our mission there to inspire conservation. Thank you.